Select a product. Add patient data. Specify product parameters. Upload 3D foot models and blueprint. Scan images. Change the color of the objects. Remove the excess part of the 3D foot model. Position the 3D foot model parallelly to the ground plane and place 3 points on it for correct alignment. Select the 3D foot model for automatic detection of reference points on it. Search for the closest 3D model from the shoe last library. The search displays the top 5 similar shoe last models. Visually compare different shoe lasts to pick up the best fit model. Open the knowledge base to see modeling recommendations for different pathologies. Place height measurements on the toe and heel areas of the 3D foot model. Modify the instep height. Modify the heel height. Modify the heel and instep heights of the last according to 3D foot model. Change transparency for the shoe last model. Modify the last surface according to the 3D foot model. Specify the circumference of a selected area to modify the shoe last. Position a blueprint image. Measure the blueprint to check if scaling is needed. Scale the blueprint to set up the real image size. Measure the blueprint again to check if the image is scaled correctly. Split the image to remove the excess picture. Position a blueprint image. Select the shoe last model and define a number of the surface points to simplify it. Add circumference measurements on the shoe last model. Use the sculpting tools to modify the last surface. Specify the circumference of a selected area to get desired product size parameters. Mirror the design shoe last for the other foot. The result, design 3D shoe last models.